Hey, remember when you were in your 20s and could fall asleep the second your head hit the pillow? Boom! Out cold. No melatonin, no whale sounds, just sleep like a rock. Now, you're staring at the ceiling, counting sheep like a professional accountant. Sheep number 973 just winked at you, and you're still wide awake. Well, good news. You don't need to rely on sleeping pills or weird bedtime hacks. Today, I'm sharing 7 herbal tricks that are actually backed by science. Gentle, effective, and in some cases, they work on night 1. If you're tired of being tired, grab a cup of chamomile tea, get cozy, and let's help you sleep like you used to. 1. Valerian root, the stinky secret to falling asleep faster. Want to knock out 15 to 20 minutes faster at bedtime without popping a pill? Here's your first herbal trick. Valerian root, also known as nature's Valium, but way less scary. What's the trick? Valerian boosts GABA, a calming neurotransmitter that turns down the mental noise. It tells your overthinking brain, shh, we're done for the day. This herb's been helping humans chill out since ancient Greece. Even Hippocrates was a fan. Medieval doctors used it for nervous unrest, stress spirals before sleep. Science check. One study found 89% of people slept better with Valerian. A meta-analysis showed it helps you fall asleep 15 minutes and 20 minutes faster, with better sleep quality and no groggy hangover. How to use it? Like a sleep ninja. Capsules. No fuss, no fishy smell. Tea. If you're brave, tastes like gym socks dunked in sardine water. Tincture. Fast acting, but oof, the flavor hits hard. Heads up, yes it stinks, but hey, if your brain won't stop rehearsing arguments from 2007, it's worth it. Bonus, combine valerian with passion flower or California poppy for a knockout combo. Just maybe warn your partner you're about to become a bedtime sloth. Ready for the next trick? We're about to talk about a sleepy time herb that actually smells good. Stay with me. 2. Chamomile. The sleepy tea that grandma and science approve. You know those cozy mugs of tea grandmas always sip before bed? Surprise, they were onto something. What's the trick? Chamomile contains apigenin, a plant compound that binds to GABA receptors in your brain, gently telling your nervous system, you're safe, you're calm, time to stop doom scrolling. It's like a warm hug, in tea form. A little bedtime history. Chamomile's been a go-to-sleep remedy since ancient Egypt. Cleopatra probably sipped it after long pyramid planning meetings. Romans, they used it to calm nerves before battle. Your mom, before job interviews. Science check. A study found that postpartum women who drank chamomile tea for 2 weeks slept better and had fewer symptoms of depression. Other trials show it improves sleep latency, how fast you fall asleep, and reduces nighttime waking. How to sip your way to sleep. Classic tea. 1 to 2 teaspoon dried chamomile flowers per cup of hot water. Steep 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey for bonus sleep. Chamomile blends. Try mixing with lemon balm or passion flower for a stronger effect. Capsules or tincture, if tea isn't your jam or you're out of mugs. Quick tip. Chamomile is generally very gentle, but if you're allergic to ragweed, skip this one to avoid surprises. Sip it 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Light a candle. Pretend you're in a cottagecore dream. Sleep like a baby. Coming up next, a bedtime herb that smells like heaven but hits stress like a warrior. You know what's coming. 3. Lavender, the good-selling stress assassin. Okay, if smell could be therapy, lavender would have a PhD. What's the trick? Lavender doesn't just smell like a spa in flower form. It literally calms your nervous system. It boosts parasympathetic activity, rest and digest mode, and decreases heart rate, cortisol, and anxiety. Translation: your brain goes from panic to pajamas in minutes. Used since forever. Lavender was used by ancient Greeks and Romans to scent baths, calm nerves, and possibly impress dinner guests. Medieval Europe, it was tucked into pillows to ward off nightmares and body odor. Science says, a study found that lavender oil capsules helped reduce anxiety as effectively as low-dose lorazepam, a common anti-anxiety med, without the drowsy side effects. Another showed that inhaling lavender scent before bed improved sleep quality in college students and hospital patients alike. How to use the power of purple. Aromatherapy. Diffuse lavender essential oil 30 minutes before bed. Palmistry spray. A few spritzes on your pillow. Dreamy vibes activated. Bath soak. 10 drops of oil with Epsom salt. Bye-bye tension. Tea. Lavender bud steeped with chamomile. Sleepy time combo. A heads up. Don't ingest pure essential oil. It's for smelling, not sipping. We want sleep, not 911. Combine lavender aromatherapy with a few deep belly breaths. Your nervous system will be too relaxed to argue. Next, an herb that sounds romantic and silences the noisy thoughts that keep you awake. Hey, if this video is helping you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more natural health tips. And tap that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Now, let's get back to the list. We've got 4 more powerful herbs to go. 4. Passion flower, the quiet mind herb. Ever feel like your brain holds a late-night talk show right when you want to sleep? Well, passion flower politely tells it, shh, show's over. Go to bed. What's the trick? Passion flower works by boosting GABA, a chill-out chemical in your brain that slows down overactive thinking. It's like giving your inner monologue a warm cup of tea and a gentle shove toward the pillow. A little history. Used for centuries by Native American tribes and later adopted into European herbal medicine, passion flower was traditionally brewed as a calming tea for anxiety, insomnia, and nervous restlessness. Today, it's still calming minds, just now it's battling doom scrolling and inbox anxiety instead of wild bears. Science says. A phytotherapy research study showed passion flower tea helped people fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply after just 7 days. Another found that it reduced anxiety symptoms in just 30 minutes with no groggy side effects. How to use it, like a sleep whisperer. Tea. Steep 1 teaspoon dried herb in hot water for 10 minutes, 15 seconds, minutes. Sweet dreams incoming. Capsules. Great for consistency. Look for standardized extracts. Tinctures. Fast-acting drops, ideal when your brain just won't shut up. Pro tip. Combine passion flower with valerian or lemon balm for a sleep-driving synergy. Teamwork makes the dream work, literally. Great for overthinkers who feel calm in the body but chaotic in the brain. You know who you are. Up next, an herb with a citrusy name and super calming personality. 5. Lemon balm, the gentle calmer. If chamomile is the grandma of sleepy herbs, then lemon balm is the cool aunt who brings calming vibes and herbal tea to every sleepover. What's the trick? Despite its zesty name, lemon balm, also known as Melissa officinalis, is not sour, it's sweetly relaxing. It gently calms the nervous system, eases restlessness, and helps your mind switch off after a long, noisy day. Think. Less monkey mind, more hammock brain. A little background. Used in ancient Greece and medieval Europe to lift the spirits and calm the heart. Lemon balm was even recommended by Hildegard of Bingen, the OG herbal wellness influencer of the 12th century. Fast forward to now, still slaying stress, just with better mugs and Spotify sleep playlists. Science says. A study in the Mediterranean Journal of Nutrition found that 95% of participants taking lemon balm extract for 15 days reported improved sleep quality and reduced anxiety. Another trial showed combining it with valerian significantly reduced insomnia in children and adults alike. Yes, it's that gentle. How to use it like a bedtime ninja. Tea. Steep fresh or dried lemon balm leaves for 10 minutes, 15 seconds, minutes. Add honey or chamomile for bonus calm. Capsules. Easy for daily use, especially during stressful weeks. Essential oil. Aromatherapy style. A few drops in a diffuser before bed can help set the sleepy mood. Slowly hack. Mix it with chamomile or passion flower for a triple hit bedtime blend that tastes good and knocks out the mental noise. Bonus tip. It's caffeine-free but gives you calm energy during the day too. Perfect if you want less slump and more serenity. Next up, a bold orange flower that says, stress, I don't even know her. 6. California poppy, the chill-out hero. Meet the laid-back flower child of the sleep herb world, California poppy. It doesn't knock you out with brute force. It gently guides you to dreamland like a mellow surfer whispering, dude, just relax. What's the trick? California poppy. Yes, the official state flower of California helps calm anxious thoughts, muscle tension, and light sleepers who toss and turn like a tumble dryer on spin cycle. It's your go-to if your brain likes to rehearse awkward conversations from 2009 right before bed. A little backstory. Native Americans have used it for centuries to promote sleep and reduce nervous agitation. It's not related to that poppy. You know, the one from epic war movies. This one's legal, gentle, and super underrated. Science says. Studies have shown that California poppy, especially when combined with valerian root, helps improve sleep onset and sleep quality, especially for people with mild insomnia or nervous tension. One clinical trial showed significant improvements in sleep without creating morning grogginess. It's the kind of herb that says, "I'll help you sleep, but you won't feel like you got hit by a tranquilizer dart." How to use it. Capsules or tinctures. Best for precise dosing. Tea. Mild and earthy. Often blended with passion flower or lemon balm for extra sleepy synergy. Bedtime blends. Look for it as part of a nighttime herbal combo labeled calming, sleep, or nervous system support. Slowly tip. For stubborn insomnia, try a combo of California poppy with valerian and passion flower. The dream team for chill mode activation. Final word? California poppy is the herb you never knew you needed. Perfect for those nights when your body is tired but your brain's throwing a rave. Now, if stress is the root of your sleep issues, then this next adaptogenic superstar might just be your new best friend. 7. Ashwagandha, the stress balancer. When your brain won't stop checking imaginary to-do lists at 2 a.m., ashwagandha steps in like a chill monk whispering, "Breathe, my friend." This ancient root from Ayurvedic medicine isn't a sedative, but it helps you sleep better by doing the one thing modern life really needs: reducing stress. What's the trick? Ashwagandha is an adaptogen, a fancy word for a plant that helps your body adapt to stress. It doesn't knock you out. Instead, it helps dial down the stress hormones, like cortisol, that keep your brain wired at bedtime. What science says. A study found that people taking ashwagandha fell asleep faster, stayed asleep longer, and woke up feeling more refreshed, all without next-day drowsiness. Another study showed it reduced cortisol levels by up to 30%, which is huge if your insomnia is anxiety-fueled. In short, less stress, better sleep. It's like calming the storm before you try to sail into dreamland. How to take it. Capsules or tablets. Most common and easiest to dose, 300 to 600 milligrams daily. Powder. Mix into smoothies or warm milk. Tastes earthy, not terrible. Tea. Often blended with herbs like tulsi or ginger for added grounding vibes. Tip. For sleep, take it in the evening, about 1 to 2 hours before bed. You may also take a smaller dose in the morning if you have all-day stress. Final verdict? Ashwagandha won't knock you out like valerian, but if your mind keeps spinning with life's worries, it's the calm anchor your sleep routine needs. Pair it with something more sedating like lemon balm or passion flower, and boom, you've got a 1-2 punch. Peace of mind and a truly restful night. All right, we've just walked through 7 amazing herbs that might just help you sleep like you did in your 20s, back when bedtime didn't involve tossing, turning, or debating life decisions at 2 a.m. From the comforting scent of lavender to the slightly funky but super effective valerian root, each one has real science behind it and no groggy side effects. Now I want to hear from you. Which herb are you most curious to try first? Lavender because it smells nice, or something more heavy-duty like California poppy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you've already tried one of these herbs, let us know how it worked for you. Your experience might help someone else sleep better tonight. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more fun, science-backed herbal tips, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next plant-powered episode. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.